Get.
Laid it out.
Got him.
My horse didn't jump.
Yeah, mine didn't either. So much too tired.
At home, they was fucking acting all ignorant.
I wouldn't grab hold of that son of a
That's a big son of a bitch right there.